No child. Standing on my right is my wife who's lost her mother, and on the left is the brother to the deceased. Why we're here is to really call for justice from all the parties who can serve as justice. On Friday in the morning, as mom was leaving for her work, after talking to her husband hardly 30 minutes ago, and having planned to see her in the course of the day, the bad news was delivered to us that mom was shot dead on her way to work. It was saddening, it was shocking, and devastating. It's left us asking many questions, which we believe that the interest we've seen from our colleagues who work with us at the Judiciary, the note that we read, the press statement that the Chief Justice gave, and even interested, even though we are still seeking and we are requesting that this process be done speedily so that justice can be served on time. There's no need why, when there are people who may be talking of a suspect who is still hanging around there, and the suspect is being named as a police officer, who of course did not do that in the course of his duties as a police officer, but as an individual. And we suspect that he thought he has the powers to shut or to block investigations from taking place. And because how rumors or the allegations are this guy is a policeman, we really call for independent investigations on this matter, because that is the only way he can be proved that even a policeman who takes individual actions or the law in his own arms is not above the law. No choice, and I really sympathize with those who lost their loved ones through the gun. The government should do something about guns, especially about guns which are in the police's hand. If it did this. Policemen also live in this society. They may be having problems with other people, and that's why they should take the main responsibility. In fact, those who hold the gun must be very cautious and must be very responsible with how they use the gun. It's not to settle your own, if at all we are assuming, because we don't know, but if it's settling your own individual issues, that's why we have the courts. Even the policeman at one point must be able to approach the court. So we condemn in all the strongest terms possible, and we are pleading because we know that our justice system can still work if they mean to. If this government is being overthrown, they'll get that person very fast who wants to do that. The life of citizens should not be lost in such a beastly nature.
I'm just asking and requesting and pleading also. Tangu dadangu auliwe, hakuna askari mmoja sasa kuja polisi ati dada yako aliuliwa kivipi na wako hapo. Jana walikuwa polisi. Walikuwa hapo kwa pale aliuliwa. Hawakwenda home. Nisikia ile kama pale aliuliwa. But sisi kama wenye tulipata marehemu kwa the police. Hawajakuja hata polisi ati mlipate kivipi, aliuliwa kivipi. Swali. Na secondly, mwenye alimuua dada yangu anajulikana. Kila mtu anaongea ati wanamjua ni askari jirani. Hawajakuja. Just requesting and pleading. Requesting and pleading for peace. Lakini wafanye uchunguzi mwenye alimuua dada yangu apatikane haraka kabla burial please. Na if there's a suspect, wamweke ndani wenye wanamsuspect wawe naye kwa what do you call on the court. If there's a suspect, he suspect mchukue tumweke ndani kama anataka to defend himself. Yes. Yeah.
We are perturbed and very much concerned by the incidents of shooting that has led to the demise of a patriotic citizen that was serving our country in the judiciary. We have reached out to the family and they have raised very fundamental issues that as Haki Africa, we think there is a lapse on the side of the government, particularly the investigative arm. One, it is painful to note that when a patriotic citizen died, their family were the first to reach the crime scene. Yet the police officers or the investigative team has not thought it wise to reach out